All right, guys, here we go. We got a, solid layer of freezing rain down on the ground. So that means we are gonna go slide around the Bronco. Listen closely. You can hear the ice melting off the soft top. Let's just, ooh, that sounds great. Four-wheel drive launch.
Oh, I know where this is going. Oh shit, it's still going. That was freaking sick, man. That sounds good, bud.
Yeah. How's it going, mate? Smells good.
It's going good.
Heck yeah. Ready to get a little slidey?
Oh, we're gonna get real slidey.
Oh yeah.
So getting the cops called.
Yeah.
Yo, we getting tandem out here, bro. It's just some random ass B-roll.
Oh my gosh. Go. This guy.
They're not thrilled. Thank God we have a payment on my nose. Oh wait, here we go.
Here he goes again.
Here he goes.
Dude, this is fucking wild.
Look at him go, dude. He just drifted around somebody.
Going in the PO. There's a cop right there. He was looking, dude.
Dude. Oh, dude, this is not.
I had this vehicle.
I was sideways coming up when he was coming up over there. Oh, shit.
Oh,
We should dip.
He definitely saw Peyton coming on the downside.
Of course it is. Ooh, that sounds healthy.
He's gonna come back here, don't you think?
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, he put on his hazards, bro.
Clean 180, boys.
Okay, a little pee off 180. Dude, Peyton gets shitty with it. Not with that car.
That thing is fucking sus, bro. You're like, wah, wah.
Just a bunch of buffoonery. Holy cow. Think your thing's about to blow up, bud.
Oh, that's like he's been sitting for a bit
Jank.
before I CD'd.
Get back or get smacked.
Dude, I'm just waiting for him to just smack the piss out of something.
You think you meant to do that?
Dude, his cats smell hot too. We definitely made the spot hot.
Spot is hot.
Bro.
We gotta go.
You're just carrying that shit, dude.
I can smell Logan's car. In the film bit now.
That thing looks mean from the back.
Yeah, it does. The Bronco looks really nice.
And there we have it. The freezing rain was short-lived, but it was a blast, and we'll certainly be back up in the snow again in the Bronco. But if you enjoyed, be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
Dude, they were probably like, what the fuck?
Friggin' hooligans, dude.
Dude, do you know how prime that would have been? Holy fuck.
How prime what would have been?
And if we were doing that and a cop pulls up to the, I would just pan and just be like, oh shit, and just keep it rolling as the lights come on.